32-gallon Rubbermaid trash can wheels are very difficult to find replacements for, but I found these on Amazon. Check it out. Here's how to fix a Rubbermaid trash can with broken wheels. I've already removed the top. Just using a hammer and prying it off. Next step is to remove both wheels. I'm going to replace them with these wheels I bought on Amazon. Place the wheel with the already secured end up through the bottom, put a brick underneath it, put the cap on top, and just tap it back on. It's a 5-minute fix.